Hi, my name's Fiona, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to develop a 20s Charleston into a 30s Charleston. So let's turn to the mirrors and begin. Starting with our basic Charleston, on the right we have tap, step, behind, step. A tap, step, behind, step. Tap, step, behind, step. Tap, step, behind, step. That's our starting point with the 20s Charleston. Now we're going to develop it by adding a kick. So when we come forward, rather than tapping, we're kicking, and we're kicking from the knee. So the knee bends and then kicks out. Then we step behind, tap behind, step forward. A kick, step back, tap behind, step forward. A kick, step back, tap behind, step forward. Keep it nice and bouncy. A kick, step, tap, behind, step. Kick, step, tap, behind, step. A kick, step, tap, behind, step. And a kick, step, tap, behind, step. That's our first phase of transitioning from the classic 20s towards the 30s. We've got a few more stages to go. So now we're going to add a rock step when we go back. So we've got our kick from the knee, kick, we step back, and then rather than just tapping behind and stepping forward, we're going to do a rock step. So you can be on the ball of the foot or go flat, but what you don't want is to let the weight of the body go with you. You want to keep your intention going forward. So you go rock step. Good, couple more times. A rock step. A rock step together. A 5, 6, 7 and a rock step together. A 5, 6, 7 and a rock step together. 5, 6, 7 and a rock step together. So just be aware that you're not going back with the whole body as you rock step. You keep leaning forward. The posture is very much like you're skiing down the alpine slopes. And we're keeping this bounce in the body. Let's add that in. Here we go. We do a kick, step, a rock step together, and a kick, step, rock step. 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 Now we're going to add another little bit to this move. So we've got our kick, step, rock step. Kick, step back, rock step. And then we're going to do a kick land with the left leg. Kick, land. It's very small and underneath us. Again, we have kick, step, back, rock, step, kick, land. And that kick is a kick, more like a dig from the heel, yeah? So we have kick, step, rock, step, kick, land. Kick, step, rock, step, kick, land. Kick, step, a rock, step, kick, land, kick, step, a rock, step, kick, land. Final layer to take us to the full 30s Charleston. We are going to add a hitch to that kick forward. So we kick, hitch to the knee, send it back, and then we have to land on it in order to do our rock, step, kick, land. When we land on that foot, we still keep our body leaning forward, hips slung back. Again, kick, hitch, back, land. Rock, step, kick, land. Good. Again, here we go. A kick, hitch, back, land. Rock, step, kick, land. A few more times. Here we go. Kick, hitch, back, and a rock, step, kick, land. Kick, hitch, back, a rock, step, hitch, land. When we're doing this, we want to keep that bounce all the way through the movement. So whichever leg is on the ground, it should be going bounce, 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 bounce. So that's a little thing you can practice just to really get the underlying feel of this move. Let's go a few more times. A kick, hitch, back, and a rock, step, kick, land. Kick, hitch, back, a rock, step, hitch, land. Kick, hitch, back, a rock, step, kick, land. Kick, hitch, back, a rock, step, hitch, land. Arms are just swinging in opposition. So don't think about it too much because that is very natural to swing in opposition. We never walk down the road with the same arm as the leg. So a few more times. Here we go. A kick, hitch, back, a rock, step, kick, land, kick, hitch, back, a rock, step, hitch, land, kick, hitch, back, rock, step, kick, land, a kick, hitch, back, a rock, step, hitch, land. So that's what we're practicing. Really make sure that the posture, hips are slung back, knees are soft, and the chest is open but leaning forward. What will happen is you'll start to come more upright, but we want to keep this posture because that keeps it more contained and much easier to do when it's a little bit faster. At any stage, you can go back to a more basic version. So let's see the development a few more times by running this to some music.